Alright you guys, I'm here to unbox the Rger Rabbit Blu-Ray Steelbook. Got this from Hoskins, so thank you again for sending me this great Steelbook, my friend. I really appreciate it. As you can see over there, it's rated PG. It's PG here too, but still. Some of the screenshots. Let's open it up here. Ugh. As you can see, that this comes off. It's made with Steven Spielberg's company, first company, and Touchstone Pictures, aka Disney. Here's the front, and this picture is embossed right here. Here's the back, and this is embossed a little bit too. And the spine. Open it up. Here's the Blu-ray disc. Here's Rger Rabbit on the side, and Jessica Rabbit right here. So yeah, thank you again for the Steelbook, Hoskins. I really appreciate that. That was my quick unboxing of the Rger Rabbit Steelbook. Let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll see y'all later.